is the island. This is the table top after I cleaned it. This is my granite. Still a little bit wet. Lighting's not very good, so cabinets. A little bit better shot. Farmhouse sink, copper. Cabinets. Kitchen window. Trying all angles. There's the great room. Out to the patio. And my fireplace is going to be there. It's going to be one slab of fuchsia granite. There's the staircase. I need to know what color to stain the floors in this room right here, which is the kitchen and the hearth and breakfast area. It's going to be a TV where it's going to be a closable hatch. In here is the great room. This is where I'm going to put stained hardwood floors, distressed, but I'm going to have stained. I had that made out of my barnwood. That's the china hutch. That's all out of my barnwood, the media center. Then there's the upstairs, which will be a barn door that goes up there, which is right there, not up yet. And then my beams. It's an entry, got all my windows framed out in barnwood. Another set of beams. Up there is going to be my kids' playroom and the guest room and bedrooms. My kitchen, stove, oven will go there. That is all going to be encased in stone. Same stone we put on the outside, along with the refrigerator encasement. And here, still, these are the hardwood, or let's see, I'm not sure where the stained concrete stops. I'll have to find out. There's my mud room, which you can't see it, it's too dark. There's the guest bathroom. Granite is Mirage. This is the back hallway to my master bedroom. Dark, dark, dark. And as you can see, there is my beautiful Mount St. Anne wall paint. There's the wall that started it all. Moving into the master sitting area, where this is the granite that I went and I changed to a more taupey color, which goes into the master. And then here is my shower and tub area. Here's the copper tub area. Need to get window coverings for that window. Again, the master sitting. The wall. Now we're going to go up the back staircase. Here's another barnwood wall. There's the kitchen down there, and there's the stairs. This is all the kids' area up here. So we go in to where that opening was. There's, I'm going to look down on it so that everybody can see. There's the beams, all the windows. That's going to have tin on it from the old barn. There's my big barn door that I had made. There's my farmhouse table that I had made. Sliding glass doors out to the patio, screened in patio. And this is the lounge area for the kids. It's my beautiful granite that you can't really see the guest shower, just too dark. I go into my son's room. It's the bunk beds. It's too dark, all of his stuff. They've done all the priming. This is the craft computer room. This is my daughter's room. One of my daughters. Oh, I did the calm green from the St. Anne, or not the, you know what it is, Mount St. Anne. There's their bathroom, shower. Hurricane granite in the girls' room, Saturnia granite in the boys' in the lounge room. And now we're going down the stairs back to the beginning. And have black iron spindles on the staircase. Looks like they've done some painting. This is paint color. Oh, it's beautiful. All right, that's it. Hope you liked your tour.